Welcome. In a short lesson, we'll build a tiny practical C# program that tells you whether an English word is a plural. This is a great beginner-friendly example to practice string methods, simple rules, and a touch of defensive programming. I'll show a straightforward rule-based version, which is where we check trailing s's, and a slightly better version that handles a few common edge cases, like trailing punctuation and a mixed case. Let's get started. So the simple heuristics for English is plural words often end with s. That covers most regular plurals like books, cars, and exercises. However, watch out. Punctuation like books or capitalization like books should not break with check. Also, irregular plurals such as mouse and mice are not covered by the simple approach. We'll mention how to extend the program for those later. Here's a concise, safe C# implementation. Its plural starts with input validation, then normalizes the word by trimming spaces, removing trailing punctuation, and lowercasing. We treat words shorter than two characters as not plural to avoid false positives like s. The core rule uses ends with s. This gives correct results for our examples and is robust against punctuation and case. We validate first to fail fast on null. We then clean the word to avoid punctuation and case issues. Short words are handled conservatively. Finally, we apply the ends with s rule. This summarizes the pipeline. Each step is small and testable. If you need irregular plural support, the best place to add it is after cleaning and before it ends with check. Here are the run examples and why they behave that way. Notice books becomes books and returns true because we trim punctuation. Children is an irregular plural. Our simple rule returns false because it does not end with s. If you need to detect irregular forms, we'll add a small exception dictionary to the next version. This tiny utility is useful in many places. Simple UX formatting, quick token filters, or as a pre-step in lightweight natural language processing. For production and NLP, you use lemmatizers or morphological analyzers. But this heuristic is cheap and often good enough for UI tweaks and small scripts. In summary, we've built a small, robust C# function that detects plural words with using a practical heuristic. It's simple, easy to test, and safe for many everyday scripts. If you need more accuracy, add a small irregular plurals dictionary or integrate a morphological library. Thanks and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.